So, hi everyone, in our last video, we set up this React router in our user management application and we created three routes for app component, for user add user component and for edit user component. So friends, in this video, we will complete this user edit component and we will make it full functional add and edit user form. So friends, let's get started. So friends, first we will complete this form. So we can see this form is rendering like this. When we are clicking on edit button, only this text message is coming over here. Now we need to complete this form. So friends, let's complete this form and we will add two fields in it, username and email. So first we will add username. So first we will add username label, name label, and then we will add input control for username. We can simply take a simple input type text and we can give it a name, user name. Then we can add second email and we can take second input control for email and can give it a name, user email. Uh, so we have added two input control name and email. So this is our this is two fields are rendering over here. We can simply add some margin on the left side. So it will move a little bit to the right. Then we can add a button to save it like this. Then we can add some added a save button over here. So we can add a new line after each control. So after the name we can add one BR, then after the email we can add one BR. So now there are some gaps between each controls. So we have this user edit form. Now we need to add a state in it to make it control component. So we can just import use state from React and then we can have this use state over here. So we will define this state, then we will define initial state. Initial state. Then we will define initial state. So in this initial state, we will have two states, username, initially it will be blank, and user email, like this. And we will set this initial state as a default state over here. Because we are going to save these two fields, name and email, so we have this two state name and email. Now we need to declare this state when user will type something in this input control. So we will add a function to handle the change event. So on change event, we can add a function handle change. And the same for this field handle change. So we have this function handle change when user will change something in this input control. Now we can define this function handle change. So by default, event will be passed in this function. So we can read this name from here and value from this event. So event at target dot name will return the name and event dot target dot value will return the value. So we will have this field name and field value like this. Now we will update this state from this field name and value. So we can simply use this set state function over here. So we'll update the state. So we will pass a function is the set state function. So in the function, first argument is the previous state. Then we can have this function body. previous state. Now we can create new state over here, and in this new state, we can have this new state object to update the new state, and in this new state, we can update our field and value. You can field value like this. So we have this. Now we have this object with the updated state. Now we can merge this new state in the previous state. So we can simply pass this new state like this, and it will update the state with this new state. Now we can check the updated state over here with the console log. We can simply console log state over here. So when user will type something in any of this input text, this on change event will trigger, and it will trigger this handle change function, and through this handle change function, the value will be updated in the state. When user will type something, state will be updated. So we have this updated state over here. As we are saying that we are typing here and our type text is coming over here. But these are not control component. To make these two fields control component, we need to set its value by state. So we will set its value by state user name and state not user email. Now these two components are control component. So when user will type something, it will update the state, and updated state will be set as a value over here, like this, like this. Now these are control component. So we have created two fields. Now we need to create function for this save button. So we will add event on click on the save, and we will pass a function handle click on this on click handle. Then we can define our handle click function over here, simply like that. So here we have this updated state. So when user will type something and click on save, our state will come here. So friends, now we can make an API call here to save the user. So friends, you saw that we have completed our user edit form. So this component will be called when someone will click on add user and someone will click on edit in the both the cases. So in the next video, we will integrate API in it to save and update the user data. So please guys, subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, and please share my video. Thank you.